Here we have a normal cuckoo clock, the size of it, and the one I'm going to sell is a Quail, and it is an extra large clock. This is 17 inches wide by 22 inches tall. It's bigger than just the large clock. If this is what you'd call your extra large, I'm going to go ahead and show you how everything works. We'll go to the 15, the 30, the 45, and the hour, and you'll see what it does. That's the first call, quarter after. Then we'll go to the 30, 2 calls. We'll go to the 45, which will be 3 calls. And we'll go to the hour. $10. And up on top we got brass hooks that hold the topper on both sides. And I'll go one more time to show you how it works. We'll go quarter after. It'll ring 1 time. Half hour. Go to the 45 and the hour. The bellows have new leather on them. That's where you get that deep sound. The movement's been cleaned, oiled, everything. Like I said, everything inside is new, and the name of the man who made the movement is Dan Weidel from Freiburg, Germany. And that's all I know about this clock because the paperwork wasn't on it when I bought it. And the year of the clock is, I'd say, 1920 to 1930. And that's about it.